Hi guys, I thought I would share with you how to make a quilt block. This is the last piece that I'm making, and I thought I'd take you along and show you how I do it. This is the block that I'm creating. I hope you can see it. And the last piece that I have to create is right there. So let me show you. I have it on the grid paper, and I thank God for the grid paper. And I bought this new little straight edge today, and I put it right on it. It has to be accurate, and still sometimes it doesn't come out exact, but hopefully it will. And I'll show you the finished quilt block. Now the name of this quilt block is going to be my knots. Knots is an African American hairstyle that I wish I could wear, but my hair is just not thick enough. I turn my grid paper around as opposed to trying to get up and down. I just turn my paper. And it takes quite a bit of time to create a quilt block pattern. Now this is a pieced block, and on my Facebook quilt group, which is a quilter's journey, I've shared this. There it is. And then what I do is, just like it's on here, I put the letter I, and I handwrite it, and I tell you how many pieces you need, and it says cut. I write that out, 2. And there are my pieces. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan this into the computer, print it out, and make the block. So I hope you got a little insight on designing and creating a quilt block, and I hope you liked it. Have a blessed evening, for it's time to smile.